Permatex Muffler and Tailpipe Sealer. I tried using this to seal a exhaust leak, and it doesn't look like it's working. There's instruction in the back on how to use it, and I did follow the instruction. I put those sealer on this joint and also put it on this other joint. There's a leak coming out from right there. And I put this tape here because I'm gonna reseal this with sealer. And I don't want the sealer to get onto this oxygen sensor. I'm gonna redo this also and redo this other one. Put another layer on it. This is the new pipe. It's connected to here, and then the other end goes connect to the exhaust manifold. And even though I bought it new, there's a hole in it. There's a hole on the pipe. The part I want to show you is this. If you look at it, you might think it's a good seal. You probably think there won't be any leak on it, but there is leak, and I'll show you. I got this wet dry vacuum connected to the muffler. So as you can see, the muffler, tailpipe sealer, Permatex, it did not meet my expectation. I'm gonna put another coat on the leak, and hopefully the leak will stop. But I'm not gonna record myself putting another coat on. So I'm gonna end the video, and thank you for watching.